Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to export WhatsApp chat to PDF. Again, here are the steps to export a WhatsApp chat to PDF on your mobile device. First, open WhatsApp, then go to the chat, individual, or group you want to export to. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Tap More from the drop down menu. Tap Export Chat. Choose Without Media, or include media if you want photos or videos, but this makes the file bigger. Select how to send it. Tap Gmail or Google Drive. On Google Drive, you can rename it. Choose the location and account. Once done, hit Save. Now open the Google Drive and locate the text file. Once you found it, tap on the three dots and hit Open With. Then choose Files by Google. Then tap Always or just once. Here, tap Extract and tap on Done. Convert chat file to PDF. Now once extracted, find the text file, then tap on the three dots and choose Open With. Then choose Google Docs from the options and tap Upload. Here, select an account and hit OK. Once open, tap the three dots in the top right. Tap Share and Export. Then tap Save As. Choose PDF document and tap OK or Save. You now have a PDF version of your WhatsApp chat saved and ready to share, print, or archive. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.